Good morning, students. This is chemistry period, and we already started our chapter number 5, that is periodic classification of the elements. So today we will learn about the Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay, so Mendeleev gave the concept of the periodic table. He put all these identified elements. He put all the identified elements into the table, into the one table where are the rows and columns are there. Okay, the elements are added in a rows and columns. So see, first of all, the periodic table is a chart of the element. Periodic table is a chart prepared of element prepared in such way that the elements having similar properties occur in a same vertical group. See, if this is a periodic table, इसमें से जो vertical lines है, these are the vertical lines, that is the vertical lines which are the groups. Vertical line जो है उसे हम बोलेंगे groups, and there is a horizontal lines, that means there is horizontal line, we called it as a periods. He put a chart where the periods and groups are there, the vertical lines that show the same property. See, the number of element which is present in the same group, that is, if we take the example like here, इस ग्रुप में जितने भी एलिमेंट आएंगे सेम, दे possesses the same properties, they all possesses the same properties. Okay, now next, then the Mendeleev put it is as a Mendeleev's periodic law. फिर मेंडलीव ने उसका नाम रखा मेंडलीव्स पीरियोडिक लॉ. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द मेंडलीव्स पीरियोडिक लॉ, the properties of elements are periodic function of the atomic masses. What is this? What is the law is saying? The properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic masses. The elements are arranging according to their atomic masses. यहाँ पे जो भी elements arrange होंगे which are according their atomic masses, with the help of their according masses we can arrange them. Okay, so see one more time here, in the same group the elements which are present, they possesses the same property, okay. सेम ग्रुप वाले जो भी एलिमेंट्स है सभी possess करेंगे सेम प्रॉपर्टी. बट इन केस ऑफ पीरियड, इफ वी टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस पीरियड, the elements which are present in same property, they are, if here are two elements are present in the same period, the properties जो है A की, it is not exactly similar to B, same B जैसी नहीं रहेंगी, but it is just slightly different from B. That is, the properties are same, slightly same, and are repeated at the regular interval of time. उसे हम बोलेंगे periodicity. We called it as a periodicity. It shows the periodicity. The elements which are present in the same period show the periodicity. Periodicity means what? Periodicity means the same property are possesses at the regular interval of time, or same property are repeated at the regular interval of time. Okay, periodicity का मतलब है सेम प्रॉपर्टी रिपीट करेंगे एलिमेंट बट एट द सेम रेगुलर इंटरवल ऑफ time. Okay, now next, that is here, according to this law, according to the Mendeleev's periodic law, द एलिमेंट्स विच आर अरेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर एटॉमिक मासेस, एलिमेंट्स जो पीरियोडिक टेबल में अरेंज हुए हैं वो है अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर एटॉमिक मासेस। ओके, उनके एटॉमिक मासेस से डिपेंड करता है कि वो एलिमेंट कहाँ पे ऐड होगा। सो इन दिस देर आर 7 पीरियड्स एंड 8 ग्रुप्स। see this periodic table, there are 7 periods, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7। कितने पीरियड्स है उसमें? 7 पीरियड्स, 7 पीरियड्स है एंड 8 ग्रुप, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8। देर आर 8 ग्रुप। ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द ग्रुप्स विच आर अ वर्टिकल लाइन, जो ग्रुप है वो वर्टिकली अरेंज है, एंड द पीरियड्स विच आर अरेंज हॉरिजॉन्टली, द पीरियड्स आर अरेंज हॉरिजॉन्टली and the groups are arranged vertically. So there are 8 groups and 7 periods. You have to learn this one. Okay, आपको पूरा periodic table learn करना है। There are total 7 periods and 8 groups. See, in every group is subdivided into A and B. सारे ग्रुप्स डिवाइडेड हुए हैं, दैट इज सब डिवाइडेड हुए हैं ए और बी में। ओके, द all groups are divided into subgroups, that is A B. Here also in second group A B, which is divided into A B, and also third group which is divided into A and B, also fourth group which is divided into A and B. Okay, like this up to 8 group, all are divided into 8 and A and B. So see the properties of hydrogen, lithium, potassium, rubidium up to francium. Okay, all the properties are same. Okay, same है सभी की properties same. Here in B group we can see the property of copper, silver and gold. Okay, the properties of the copper, silver and gold all showing are same. Okay, so in this way, this periodic table which is divided into 7 periods and 8 group, also this group which is subdivided into A and B. Okay, वो subdivided हुआ है A और B में। और last column after 8, see after 8 group there is a 1 0 group also. 0 group में क्या आएगा? 0 group presenting all the noble gases. Okay, 0 group showing the all noble gases, 0 ग्रुप में आएंगे पूरे noble gases. Okay, and at that time only 63 elements were discovered. Okay, that time only 63 elements were discovered, and also उन्होंने तब 63 एलिमेंट्स की डिस्कवरी की थी, एंड उनको पता था कि वहाँ पे उससे ज़्यादा भी कुछ एलिमेंट डिस्कवर्ड होंगे इसके बाद में. सो देयर इज़ अ सम ब्लैंक स्पेसेस ऑल्सो देयर, कि उसके बाद में जो एलिमेंट्स डिस्कवर होंगे दिस एलिमेंट दिस आर सिचुएटेड हियर. ओके, जो बाद में एलिमेंट्स डिस्कवर होंगे दिस स्पेस दैट इज ब्लैंक स्पेस इज फॉर देम. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट सी. He left gaps in his table. He left gaps in his table for unknown elements. जो बाद में डिस्कवर होने वाले एलिमेंट्स थे उनके लिए उन्होंने पीरियोडिक टेबल में कुछ गैप छोड़ी हुई थी. ओके, he thought that when these elements would be discovered later on they can be placed in table without disturbing other element. Okay, उनके लिए उन्होंने गैप छोड़ी हुई थी without disturbing other elements. There are total in periodic table 7 periods and 8 group. Each group which is divided into A and B subgroup, and there is also the 0 group is there which is for the noble gases. Okay, and there is also the space is for the later discovered would be the elements would be discovered later. Okay, now next see these are some merits of this periodic table. Okay, merits means advantages of this periodic table. First, He grouped the elements on the basis of their atomic masses. He arranged these elements in the periodic table. He arranged this different element in the periodic table depend on their atomic masses. उनके एटॉमिक masses को लेकर उन्होंने सब एलिमेंट की अरेंजमेंट की थी पीरियोडिक टेबल में. ओके, नेक्स्ट, he left gap for undiscovered elements like gallium, scandium and germanium. Okay, even he left full group vacant for undiscovered inert gases. Even he left full group vacant for undiscovered inert gases. पहले the group that is this zero, he left total this zero group for undiscovered inert gases. उन्होंने ये पूरा ग्रुप दैट इज ही कॉल्ड इट एज अ ज़ीरो, पूरा ग्रुप ब्लैंक छोड़ा था. फॉर व्हाट? नोबल गैसेस के लिए, दैट इज इनर्ट गैसेस के लिए पूरा जो ग्रुप था वो ज़ीरो नाम से उन्होंने ब्लैंक छोड़ा था. और यहाँ पे कुछ ब्लैंक भी छोड़ी थी पीरियोडिक टेबल में. एंड लेटर द डिस्कवर्ड एलिमेंट वॉज गैलियम, स्कैंडियम एंड जर्मेनियम. बाद में ये एलिमेंट्स की डिस्कवरी हुई, दैट इज गैलियम, स्कैंडियम एंड जर्मेनियम. एंड ऑल्सो डिस्कवरिंग द नोबल गैसेस ऑल्सो डिस्कवर्ड. नाउ नेक्स्ट, थर्ड एडवांटेज ऑफ द पीरियोडिक टेबल इज, पीरियोडिक टेबल का थर्ड एडवांटेज जो है वो, ही कुड प्रेडिक्ट प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सेवरल एलिमेंट्स ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर पोजिशंस इन पीरियोडिक टेबल लाइक गैलियम एंड स्कैंडियम. He could predict the properties, the proportions of several elements on the basis of their positions in the periodic table. उनके position के depend on the positions of this gallium and scandium, he predict their propositions. Okay, now fourth merit, that is fourth advantage, he could predict error in atomic weight of some element like gold and platinum. He could predict the errors in atomic weight of element like the gold in platinum. Okay. Now next, that is anomalies. Anomalies means disadvantage. उसके कुछ disadvantage भी थे. Like first, position of isotopes could not be explained. Isotopes means, first of all, isotopes means same atomic number and different mass number. Okay, the element having same atomic number and different mass number, that we called it as a isotopes. So उन्होंने isotope की position को explain नहीं किया था उसमें. First, second, the wrong order of atomic masses could not be explained. एटॉमिक मासेस के जो रॉन्ग ऑर्डर थे वो उन्होंने एक्सप्लेन नहीं किए थे. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, द एटॉमिक मास फॉर ऑर्गॉन इज 40, ओके, एंड द एटॉमिक मास फॉर पोटेशियम इज 30. बट ऑर्गॉन जो है वो पोटेशियम के पहले उन्होंने पीरियोडिक टेबल में पुट किया था. ओके, दैट इज, दिस इज द रॉन्ग ऑर्डर ऑफ द एटॉमिक मासेस. ओके, एटॉमिक मास जो है आर्गॉन का 40 है एंड पोटेशियम का 30 है. बट आर्गॉन पोटेशियम से पहले क्या आया था? आर्गॉन इन द पीरियोडिक टेबल. सो दिस इज रॉन्ग. सो दिस आर द Mendeleev's periodic table, some merits and some demerits. Okay, so in next class we will discussing the modern periodic table. What is the modern periodic table? What are the advantages of modern periodic table? How the different elements are arranged in this periodic table. Okay, so how many periods and how many rows are actually in the periodic table, in a modern periodic table, that all matter we will learn in the next class. So here we stop, dear students.